While purchasing items to resell, there are a number of items that show potential but need a makeover. Here are some of those items. This first item was a tote. I went ahead and put a base coat on it. I put a base coat on several of these items. After coming up with a design, I cleaned the items thoroughly and decided on the color. Here I'm working out a color that I wanted to be a little lighter than what the actual color is. Here I'm using the DIY in sage green cottage color paint. I mixed in a little crockery color to get the shade I wanted. After painting and waiting for the item to dry, I selected a transfer that I wanted to use to accent the piece. I cut out the images I wanted to use and adhered it to the piece, and these are the final results. Next item was a wooden music box that I also painted a second coat. After allowing the paint to dry, I gave it a light sand, added a transfer, and this is the result. In making over the clock, it required that I use one coat of paint with some touch-ups and a light sanding. I selected a transfer that I like, and this is the result. This next project was the green toad I painted. I selected a different transfer, and these are the results. To protect the transfer on the toad, I added a light coat of wax. In all of the items I gave a makeover to, I cleaned them, painted them, selected a transfer, gave a light coat of polyurethane or wax to come up with my completed projects. Again, here's a quick look at many of the projects that I was able to complete. Leave a comment as to which item you like the best. And thanks for watching.